The positive and negative impact of the ICT society. ICT has both positive and negative impact on communities. On the positive side, ICT can bring about social changes by improving communication, facilitating access to information, and making work easier. It can also empower indigenous communities by providing them with new tools for economic tools and political opportunities, while preserving their cultural identity. It also negative side the emergence of various injections of cyberbullying, privacy violation, and the development of new diseases caused by controlled and unconscious use for technological devices. May pandagdag akong video. Ugagaro. Ano yan? Nahulog. Ay! Nakalaman mo na lang kayo niyo. Parang sila o. Napakal pagaro. Nagulog si tupad ko kay Tom. Ano? Iyo. Naalis na kami. Ikaw? Hindi na mabalik school. Hindi na. Maunin mo na ko. Ano ba naman? Ang ano niya, ang para dito. Didikit mo lang tao duman. Nandun lang baga sila Jimmy, sila. Dikit-dikit lang talaga. Yung mga likod, yung mga klaseng natin na nag-upo sa likod, wala na din nila. Alas mo pa gamay. Ah, gamay! Tunutol dito eh. Ha? Ang ganda.